Hi, my name is Dr. Amanda Pacheco, and I'm one of the faculty members in the Office of Experiential Learning. Today I'm going to lead you through a tutorial which will demonstrate the process of selecting positions in PlacePro, which is our online database of available co-op and internship opportunities. By this point, you should have already applied to our program, completed your profile, uploaded a copy of your resume into PlacePro, and met with your Experiential Learning faculty member at least once. If any of these steps have not yet been completed, please go back and review the other tutorials on our website or contact our office for assistance. During the meeting with your Experiential Learning faculty member, your account should have been released, and this means that you'll be able to view and select positions related to your major and to your career goals. Once you select the opportunities in the system, you will need to return to visit with your faculty member during office hours to discuss the positions and have your resume sent. The first step in selecting positions is to log into the PlacePro system. Go to the Experiential Learning homepage and under Students, click Login. Enter your username and password and enter STUD for student in the access code field. Once you log in, click the third option, My Job Search. Leave everything as the default and click Search. You will see an overview of all co-op positions available. Currently, there are 17 co-op opportunities for the accounting major. This number changes from day to day and sometimes from hour to hour as we continually update the system with new internship and co-op opportunities. Therefore, you'll want to check the system at least once a week while you are searching for a position. Your Experiential Learning faculty member may have asked you to select a specific number of positions. To view the details of each position, click the position title, in this case, Bookkeeping Co-op. You will want to evaluate each position on two criteria, if you're qualified for the position and if you're interested in the position. Your interest will most likely be influenced by several factors: how much you feel the position will be able to help with your learning and career goals, the location of the position, and perhaps even the wage associated with the position. You will see that for the Bookkeeping Co-op position, the opportunity is located in Lake Mary and pays $13 to $14 per hour. As with many positions, there are requirements and preferences. The position requires that you are majoring in accounting, have bookkeeping experience, and have at least a 3.2 GPA. The opportunity also requires that you are a junior or first semester senior and are proficient in Excel. If you meet all of these requirements, the position is still a possibility. If you do not meet one or more of the criteria, this would not be a position for which you could apply. Next, please notice the stated preferences: proficiency in QuickBooks, training in federal government acquisitions and/or equivalent proposal development principles, as well as knowledge of federal regulations including FAR, DFRS, and equivalent experience with DCAA. You will notice that the employer is also looking for someone who's organized and plans ahead. If you happen to possess any of these traits, skills, or knowledge areas, be sure to let your faculty member know when you meet with him or her so that it can be highlighted on your resume. Information about the organization itself can be found here. You will notice that the name of the company is not given. The company name will be revealed to you when you meet with your faculty member, but it cannot be given online, primarily because our employers wish us to do some preliminary screening to ensure that all applicants meet the stated criteria. Maintaining online anonymity also helps to ensure that only UCF students are applying for these opportunities. The last thing to note is the semester and year. This information can actually be ignored. If the position can be seen in the PlacePro system, it can be assumed that the opportunity is available immediately unless the position description says otherwise, regardless of which semester and year is listed. Once you have fully examined the position and determined your level of qualification and interest, click the Back button. You'll be taken back to the list of opportunities and you will be able to select Apply or Do Not Consider Me. You will follow these steps for each position in the system. And on and on. When you're finished, or even if you just need to take a break and return later, be sure to press the Save and Return to Search button to save your selections. If your Experiential Learning faculty member released you to see internships as well as co-op opportunities, you may review the internship selections here and then press Search. Just as you did before, select the opportunities in which you are interested and qualified, and press the Save and Return to Search button. If your Experiential Learning faculty member asked you to limit your applications to a certain number of positions, please be sure to honor that. If there are other positions beyond those few you are interested in, you may make a note on a separate sheet of paper with each position's title and job number, found in parentheses after the title. The next step is to visit your Experiential Learning faculty member again to review the positions you selected and to learn the name of the companies of interest. Together, you will decide which opportunities will best meet your academic and career goals. Your faculty member will then send your resume for each of the opportunities. Once each company reviews your resume, it will be their decision whether or not to contact you for an interview. Each day, our faculty input new positions into the system. You will want to review the system each week to continually apply for new opportunities until you are offered a position. The easiest way to do this is to log in, press My Job Search, and next to Jobs with Application Status, change All to You Have Not Made a Selection. Then click Search. You will see the new positions available in the system. Follow the same process you did before, click the Save button, and visit your Experiential Learning faculty member for discussion and resume distribution. Remember, unless you visit your Experiential Learning faculty member after you indicate interest in a position, your resume will not be sent. We look forward to seeing you in our office soon.